Hello students, hope you are all fine at your home, you are all safe. Today we'll start with a new chapter, that is 4-digit numbers. First we'll recapitulate what you've done in class 2. In class 2 you must have studied till 3-digit numbers. Now let us start with the smallest one. What is the smallest 1-digit number? The smallest 1-digit number is 1. Now before moving on to the other numbers, let us discuss what are digits and numbers. What is the basic difference between digits and numbers? Digits are single numerical symbols. They are from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are all digits. And when we combine one or more than one number, like if we are combining 1 and 2, it makes the number 12. Digits and numbers are similar to alphabets and words that you learn in your English. For example, in your English, you study the alphabets on letters A, B, C, D. But when you combine these letters, you get a word. For example, if I am combining 2 words or 3 words like A and an, it makes the word an. If I am combining 3 letters like that, it makes a word. Here, these are only alphabets. Here, it makes a word. Similar to this, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, these are all digits. And number can be a 1-digit number, 2-digit number or 3-digit number or so on. But we can call a digit a number, but we cannot call a number a digit. That is, if I say 7, 7 is a number as well as it is a digit. It is a 1-digit number. If I say 17, 17 is a number. It cannot be called a digit. It is a 2-digit number. What are the 2 digits in the number 17? 1 and 7. If we take 7, 7 is both a number as well as a digit. It is a digit, and if we talk about number, it is a 1-digit number. Now if I take up the number 17, we can call 7 only a number. It cannot be called a digit because it has 2 digits. It has 2 digits, that is 1 and 7. So when we combine the digits, we get a number. Similarly, we can make as many numbers as we want. Like 5, if I write 5 and 6 together, 5 and 6 are 2 different digits. But if I write them together, it makes the number 56. Again, it is a 2-digit number. I hope it is clear to you. Now moving on to the next topic that I was discussing earlier, that what is the smallest 1-digit number? The smallest 1-digit number is 1. We cannot say 0 is the smallest 1-digit number. Why? Because 0 has no value. The digit 0 has no value. So it cannot be called a smallest 1-digit number. 1 is the smallest 1-digit number. And the greatest or the largest 1-digit number is 9. It is the largest 1-digit number. Now if I add 1 to this largest 1-digit number, if I add 1 to this, 9 plus 1 gives us 10. We get the smallest 2-digit number. By adding 1 to the largest 1-digit number, we get the smallest two-digit number. Similarly, if I take up the largest two-digit number is 99. The largest two-digit number is 99. If I add 1 to this, I get 100. And 100 is the smallest three-digit number. Now, if we take the largest three-digit number, I hope you all know what is the largest three-digit number. The largest three-digit number is 999. 999. Now, if I add 1 to this largest three-digit number, I'll get this number. What is this number? This number is 1000, and it is the smallest four-digit number. Smallest four-digit number. Now we have reached the main topic of this chapter, that is the four-digit number. This number, that is 1000, has four digits. That is 1, 0, 0 and 0. I hope it is clear that the smallest one-digit number is 1. The largest one-digit number is 9. If I add 1 to the largest one-digit number, I get the smallest two-digit number. If I add 1 to the largest two-digit number, I get the smallest three-digit number. And if 1 is added to largest three-digit number, we'll get smallest four-digit number, that is 1000. So 1 is the smallest one-digit number. What will be the smallest two-digit number? Smallest two-digit number will be 10, and smallest three-digit number is 100. Like we have got 100 here. After adding 1 to the largest two-digit number, we have got the smallest three-digit number. After adding 1 to the largest three-digit number, we have got the smallest four-digit number. Now we'll proceed to the next topic, that is forming four-digit numbers. You must have seen four-digit numbers around you, somewhere in the books, somewhere else. You must have seen four-digit numbers anywhere. For example, if we take any four digits, if we write them together like 8, 2, 3 and 1. Now, how to read this number? In class 2 also you have studied about place and place value. Place value. What is place value? Place value is the value of a digit depending upon its place in the number. A number has places. A number has places where the digits are written. In four-digit numbers, in class 2 you have studied places till hundreds, that is ones, tens and hundreds. O stands for ones, T stands for tens and H stands for 100. The fourth place that you study in this class in four-digit number is the place of thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Below these places we'll write our four-digit numbers. Take up any number, like we are taking this number 8231. Till now I don't know and you don't know how how to read this number. But how can we read this number? We'll write this number below these places. Start writing the number from the right hand side, from the very first place, that is the place of ones. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Now the digits will be read according to its place. According to the place. Like the digit 8 is at the place of 1000. So this is not 8. It is 8000. The value of a digit change depending upon its place. If in place of 1000, if 8 was written at the place of tens, then it would not be 8000. It would be 80. 8 is at the place of 1000, so it will be read as 8000. 2 is at the place of 100, so it will be read as 200. 3 is at the place of tens, it will be read as 30. And 1 is at the place of ones, so it will be read as 1. So this is 8000, 8000, 200. 3 tens. 3 tens makes 30 and 1. So the number is 8231. 3 tens makes 30. 2 tens makes 20. 3 tens makes 30. 4 tens makes 40. 5 tens makes 50. 6 tens makes 60. 7 tens makes 70. 8 tens makes 80. 9 tens makes 90. And 10 tens makes 100. Let us take another example. If a number is given to you, take any number. This number 7024. The digits in this number, it is a 4-digit number. It has 4 digits, 7024. But these are not digits, it is a number. How to read this number? Again, write the places first. What are the places? Always start from the very first place, the smallest place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Start arranging these digits under these places from right hand side, from the place of ones. Do not write 7 under ones. Start writing from the right hand side. The digit at the right hand side will be written first at the place that is on the right hand side, that is the place of ones. 4 2 0 7. Now read this number according to the place on which it is written, at which it is written. 7 is at the place of 1000. So this 7 has the value 7000. Here under hundreds, the digit is 0. 0 has no value, so we will not read it as 0. We leave this. Now let us move to the next digit. 2 is at the place of tens, so the value of 2 is 20. And 4 is at the place of 1, so it will be read as 4. So the number is 7000. Skip this. 7024. We have left this 0 because 0 has no value, but we cannot remove this 0. So the number name for this will be 7000. No value 24. One more example. Let us make any other number using the digits. The digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Can we say that 10 is a digit? No, we cannot say 10 is a digit because 10 has 2 digits in it. So 10 is a 2-digit number. We cannot call 10 a digit. It is a number. Now again, we have a 4-digit number. What are the digits in this number? 6193. To read this number, again we'll write the places first. What are the places? Ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Now we'll again write this number according to the place. The very first digit, the digit 3, will be written at the place of ones. Always write the number from right hand side. 3, 9 will come under tens, 1 will come under hundreds and 6 will come under thousand. So it will be read as 6 or 6,000. Now it will be read as 6,000 because 6 is at the place of 1,000. If 6 in place of 1,000 was written here at the place of 100, then it would have been 600. But here the digit 6 is at the place of 1,000, so it will be read as 6,193. 6,193. Now if I change the digits, if I change the places of the digits in this number, for example, if I write the digits in any manner, here in place of thousands I have written 1, in place of hundreds I have written 6, in place of tens I have written 9, and in place of ones I have written 3. Here the number will change. 1 is at the place of 1,000, so it will be read as 1,000. 6 is at the place of 100, so it will be read as 600. 9 is at the place of 10, so it will be read as 90. 3 is at the place of 1, so it will be read as 3. So it is very important to write the number properly, to write the digits properly under the correct places. So if I write these digits like this, my answer will be wrong. So be very careful while copying the number under the places. The digits should be written under correct places. So the number name for this will be 6,193. 6,193. Now if I change the question, here in this question a number was given, you are supposed to write its number name. Now if a number name is given, can you write the number? Again, it is easy if you are aware of the places and the place value. Let us take an example. For example, a number name is given 3,652. 3,652. Again, for writing the number for this, here the number name is given, you have to write down the number. Again, first write the places. Writing the places is very important. Always while reading out any number, write the places first, unless you are excellent while reading the numbers. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Now read the number by breaking it. 3,652. 3,652. 3,000. 3,000 means the place of 3 should be 1,000. 3 will be written at the place of 1,000. Now we're moving on to the next part. 600. It means 6 should be written at the place of hundreds. Then 50. 50 means 5 tens. So 5 will be written at the place of tens. And 2. 2 will be written at the place of ones. So we get the number 3,652. Let's have another example. 9,047. 9,047. Again for this we'll be writing the places first. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Read the number by breaking it. 9,047. 9,047. It has 3 parts. 9,047. 9,000. Where should be 9 written? 9 will be written under the place of 1,000 because here we can clearly see that 9 has 1,000. 40. 40 means 4 tens. 40 means 4 tens. So 4 will be written at the place of tens. And 7. 7 is a 1-digit number. So it will be written under ones. So what should I write below 100? Below 100 I will write 0 because there is no value for hundreds given here. So in place of 100 we will write 0. So the number is 9,000. Omit this 47. 9,047. Let's take another example. 3,200. 3,200. Write the places first again. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Break the number. 3,200. 3,000. So 3 will be written under thousands and 200s. 2 will be written under hundreds. Now there is no value given for tens and ones. So in place of tens and ones we write 0. So the number we get is 3,200. So this much for today. I hope you have understood. What we have done today is first we discussed the digits and numbers. Digits are single numerical symbols, that is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and no, sorry, we cannot say 10 is a digit. 10 is a number. And if we combine one or more than one digit, we get a number. Like here we combine the two digits 1 and 2, we got a number 12. What is then we discuss the largest one digit number and the smallest one digit number. The smallest one digit number is 1 and the largest one digit number is 9. After adding 1 to the smallest one digit number, largest one digit number, we get smallest 2-digit number. After adding 1 to the largest 2-digit number, we get the smallest 3-digit number. After adding 1 to the largest 3-digit number, we get the smallest 4-digit number. Now, can you guess if you will add 1 to the largest 4-digit number, what will you get? Find out the answer for that. Then we started with the formation of 4-digit numbers. We can read any number by writing the digits under the places and by reading them out according to their places values. I hope you have understood how to write the number names by writing down the places at the top of the number first, then reading them according to their place value. Like in this number, 7 is at the place of 1000, so it was written as 7000. There is no value of 0, so we have not written anything for hundreds. 2 is at the place of 10, so it is 20, and 4 is at the place of 1, so we have written 4. Then we discussed writing numbers from the number name that is given. How can we write numbers from the number names? The number names, the first number name that I gave to you was 3652. Before writing the number, always write the place first: ones, tens, hundreds, and thousand. Now break the number into parts: the thousand part, the hundreds part, the tens part, and the ones part. After writing the digits under the correct places, you will get the correct number. Now I want to discuss one question that is given in your book on page number 4, exercise 1.2, page number 4, exercise 1.2, question A. Question A says, write the number and the number names. I am not discussing those parts. I have taken another example. In that question, some figures are given. Some cubes are in purple, the squares are in orange, then you have green strips and small red boxes. The purple cubes represent 1000, the orange square represent 100, the green strips represent tens, and the small red boxes represent ones. The purple one shows 1000, the orange one shows hundreds, the green one shows tens, and the red one shows ones. Purple shows thousands, orange shows hundreds, green shows tens, and the red shows ones. So using these pictures we can form the number. Again, for forming the number, first we'll have to write down the places: ones, tens, hundreds, and thousand. Now let us see how many thousands are given. The thousand is represented by the purple cubes. Let us count the purple cubes that are given in the picture. How many purple cubes can you see? 1, 2, 3. So there are 1000, 2000, 3000. So under 1000 I will write 3. Now let us see how many hundreds are there. 100 is represented by orange. How many hundreds are there? Only 100 is there. 1. How many tens are there? Tens is represented by the color green. The green strips shows tens. How many tens are there? 1, 10, 2 tens, 3 tens. And how many ones are there? 1, 2, and 3. So I have written the digits and their places. Can you read out the number name? The number name is 3133. 3133. The next one. Again we'll write the places first: ones, tens, hundreds, and thousand. Let us see how many thousands are there in the picture. The 1000 is for Purple stands for 1000. Let us see how many purple cubes are there. Only one purple cube is there. It means there is only 1000. Then how many hundreds are there? 100 is represented by the orange squares. 100, 200, 300 and 400. There are 400. Now how many tens are there? Tens is represented by the green strips like in this picture. But can you see any green strip in this picture? No, there are no green strips in this picture. So there is no number for tens. So in place of tens I'll write 0. Now how many ones are there? Ones is represented by the red small squares. How many ones are there? 1, 2. We have got the number, a 4-digit number. The 4 digits are 1402. Now how can we read this number? 1400, no value, and this is 2. So it will be read as 1402. 1402. Now with these two examples you will be able to do this question from your book. Okay, so this much for today. Thank you.